This video was taken yesterday at Sylvan Lake, March 27, 2021. I feel so amazed because of the design of the ice at Sylvan Lake. Between our phones, tables, laptops, and televisions, some form of screen time is happening almost 24/7. That's why it's become more imperative than ever for us to unplug and head out into the great outdoors. Spending time outside, whether you're working in the garden, hiking at a nearby park, or even relaxing on the beach, is good for the soul. And now more than ever, we all need to take some time for self-care. And so I am here spending time trying to catch a fish, but this Mother Nature gets my attention and I want to share it to all of you guys. This is really beautiful. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Being with Mother Nature can heal our mind, body, and soul, and that's not the only reason why we should enjoy outdoors in life. It can also bring inspiration, unleash creativity in us, and simply feel more connected and rooted in life. I love being out and enjoying the nature. So many people nowadays are suffering from depression. It's because of what's happening in the world. I can tell. This is one way of helping myself to be not depressed. By seeing this beautiful nature, I am relieved. I feel so blessed that I used to see this kind of artistry. For us, the world was full of beauty. For the other, it was a place to be endured until he went to another world. Life is a walking, a journey. So if life upon Mother Earth is a journey, there are two ways to walk. We can choose to walk forward or we can choose to walk backward. Forward walking choices are rewarded with consequences that light the way to peace, happiness, joy, comfort, knowledge, and wisdom. Backward walking choices bring to the two-legged being consequences of misery, despair, and darkness. I have learned that the point of life's walk is not where or how far I move my feet, but how I am moved in my heart. If I walk far but I'm angry toward others as I journey, I walk nowhere. If I conquer mountains but hold grudges against others as I climb, I conquer nothing. If I see much but regard others as enemies, I see no one. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, guys. Thank you very much for always supporting Azan's Adventures and Travel. My support will be with you. And as always, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Take care. And until my next video. God bless us all, and I love you all. Bye for now. Have a nice day. God bless.